Sustainability and circular economy are becoming key drivers for European textile companies in order to increase their competitiveness based on innovation. The new paradigm aims to close the loop from linear economy of raw materials, production, product and waste into new business models based on eco-design and resource efficiency, waste recovery within the textile value chain, cross-sectorial collaboration and industrial symbiosis. The Catalan Cluster on Advanced Textiles Materials, AEI Tèxtils, and its members have several success stories pushing forward towards sustainability and circular economy. Those stories are built upon the cooperation and innovation efforts of the cluster. Some examples are CP Aluard, producing protective fabrics and garments made of recycled plastic bottles; Polysilk, making bio-based and biodegradable yarns; Hidrocolor, improving wastewater treatment and resource efficiency in textile finishing; Tint Finish, reusing wastewater to reduce environmental impact; Finsa, extending product lifetime while reducing water consumption in production and in use; Arpe, embracing eco-design using recycled yarns and multiple life approach on its products; Thinpasa, driving sustainability through digitalization of textile tape production; Hilaturas Arnau, manufacturing circular technical yarns and ecological yarns; Etisilk, upcycling outdoor fabric leftovers into baby blankets; Antex, towards circular economy in yarn production; Ethima, using innovative IR drying and curing systems and waterless textile finishing for more sustainable processes; Marina Tèxtil, sustainable production of high-performance technical fabrics for personal protection; Tecnitaiga, closing the loop on protective fabrics; Riasa, applying industrial symbiosis from leftovers of synthetic yarns to new sustainable packaging products. The cluster itself is also contributing in the promotion and facilitation of new developments towards the green transition with specific projects aimed at promoting eco-design with hands-on case studies with our members, Ecodistex, supporting the substitution of hazardous chemicals in finishing processes, Flarex, Midwar, Sustex, identifying barriers of circular economy within the sector and designing approaches to overcome them, Circulartec, generating industrial symbiosis opportunities, Pactex, developing useful training tools for companies and students about circular economy applied to the sector, Cleantex, Destex, Textra, providing international visibility to the cluster members by showcasing their experiences in international events, connecting industry with research and technology providers such as Leitat, Thesic and Intexter to facilitate innovation in sustainability. Networking facilitated by the cluster is key in emerging innovation opportunities, internationalization, to thrive business development with new products based on sustainability and embracing circular economy. AEI Tèxtils works with its members to improve the resilience of the advanced textile material sector in Catalonia and propel its growth.